Afni Iza Afkarina. Today I would like to retell two interesting story written by L.G. Alexander. The first story is Life on a Desert Island, and the second story is Mary Had a Little Lamb. Both stories have different plots, but they teach us valuable life lessons. Now, let's begin with the first story, Life on a Desert Island. This story is about two men who survived on a small desert island after their boat started to sink. The story takes place on a tiny coral island in the Caribbean Sea. The atmosphere of the story is challenging but also interesting and enjoyable. At the beginning of the story, the writer explains that many people have different ideas about life on a desert island. Some people think it is like paradise, while others believe it is terrible and dangerous. Then the story tells about two men who were traveling from the Virgin Island to Miami repair to repair their boat. During the journey, their boat suddenly began to sink. The two men quickly loaded food, matches, and tins of beer into a small rubber dinghy. After that, they rowed across the Caribbean Sea and arrived at a tiny coral island. Although there were no trees and no fresh water, they survived by collecting rainwater. They also use a spear gun to catch fish and lobster every day. As a result, they had plenty of food and lived quite comfortable on the island. 5 days later, a passing tanker rescued the two men. However, both of them were genuinely sorry to leave the island because they had enjoyed their experience there. In the end, the island turned out to be a pleasant place for them. From this story, we can learn that courage, teamwork, and intelligence are very important in difficult situations. We should also be grateful and learn to enjoy simple things in life. Personally, I think this story is very interesting because it shows that people can survive difficult situations if they stay calm and work together. Now let's continue with the second story, Mary Had a Little Lamb. This story is about a couple named Mary and Dimitri who lost their little lamb. The story takes place in a small village called Perasora in southern Greece. The atmosphere of the story is mysterious and surprising because Dimitri tried to discover who had stolen the lamb. At the beginning of the story, Mary and her husband Dimitri lived peacefully in a small village. Mary had a little white lamb that she loved very much. Every day, the lamb stayed in a field and Mary brought it home in the evening. However, one evening, the lamb suddenly disappeared. The rope had been cut, so they realized that the lamb had been stolen. When Dimitri returned home, Mary told him what had happened. Dimitri immediately tried to find the thief. After talking to several villagers, Dimitri discovered that his neighbor Aliko had recently obtained a new lamp. Because of that, Dimitri angrily accused Aliko of stealing his lamp. However, Aliko denied the accusation and showed Dimitri a black lamp. Seeing the black lamp, Dimitri felt embarrassed and apologized to Aliko for accusing him. Then, while they were talking, it suddenly began to rain heavily. Dimitri stayed at Aliko's home until the rain stopped. About half an hour later, Dimitri went outside and was very surprised. The little black lamb had become almost white. The rain had washed away the black dye from the lamb's wool. Finally, Dimitri realized that the black lamb's the black lamb was actually his missing white lamb. In the end, the truth was revealed. From this story, we can learn that the truth will eventually be discovered. We should also avoid accusing people too quickly without strong evidence. Personally, I think this story is very interesting because the ending is surprising and memorable. That's all my story. Thank you for your attention.